play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 5W Series Part 4, where no one gets to choose the location of where their journey begins, but the environment can have a monumental impact on the development of your mindset and chances for success. The only possible way to ensure a great development is to control the process. When you know the end goal that drives your purpose, applying the planned course of action is a must. 4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife. Location, place or position, residence or settlement. The home environment is the starting place for your development. Next are the schools that begin your educational journey. The schools can provide the required intellectual development needed to pursue higher education. There is no substitute for mental competence that enables you to pursue your purpose. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Environment, surroundings, or condition in which a person lives or operates. Once awareness of the development process is known, designing and planning a course of action is required to ensure that the desired outcome is achieved. Selecting educational institutions that provide much needed knowledge to implement your purpose strategies, this will be where your journey surely begins. Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. Their great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Institutions, organizations founded for educational, social, or similar purposes. This condition of where has controversial meanings to differentiate with each person. One person will think that their location is a hindrance to their development. Another person will believe that no matter where, they can still succeed. It's all up to the individual that is willing to put in the effort and work, nothing will be given to you without providing the physical and mental effort to attain that specific goal. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.